Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Zest 1 lemon and juice 6 lemons to yield about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. This gives bright flavor and aroma. Dissolve 1 cup sugar in 1 cup hot water to make a quick syrup, because sugar blends better when dissolved. Once done, pour syrup into a pitcher and add 4 cups cold water. Stir to combine so acidity and sweetness start to balance. Make sure to chill the mixture briefly while you prepare to taste and adjust. You now refine the lemonade. Taste a small glass to evaluate brightness and sweetness. If too tart, add 0. 25 cup increments of water. If too flat, add 1 tablespoon sugar dissolved in a bit of warm water. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve to remove pulp and seeds. This gives a clean mouthfeel. Once done, stir in 1 tablespoon grated zest or a splash of juice if the lemon note feels muted. This boosts aromatics without more acidity. Make sure everything is well mixed and cold. You finish by serving the lemonade over plenty of ice and garnish with a lemon wheel or mint for contrast. Presentation sharpens perceived flavor. For leftovers, cool completely and store in the fridge in a sealed container for up to 3 days. If your batch tastes bitter or looks cloudy, it likely had too much peel contact or pith. Strain through a fine mesh and dilute slightly with cold water, then rebalance sweetness. Make sure to taste after each small adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.